halogen lamp was introduced in the early 1960s, it proved to be one of the great advances in light sources technology. The world now had a new form of filament lamp, very bright, very small, and very long-lasting. The wide variety of its applications are now very much a part of our everyday lives. From the lighting safety and reliable performance of the car headlamp to the beautiful display characteristics of a lamp which enhances texture and shape in both subtle and dramatic settings. And now, even cooking by light, an application of Thorn's halogen heat lamp sources. Customers worldwide rely on the quality and innovation of Thorn's halogen lighting solutions. The normal filament lamp is an immensely popular but inefficient form of lighting. Research scientists found that by adding halogen to the conventional gas filling of the tungsten filament lamp, they could make the filament last longer and add extra brightness over the same life. Add to that the use of quartz instead of glass, and you have a significantly smaller and more robust lamp. They have brought a revolution in areas like floodlighting, because with such compact sources, larger and less energy-efficient equipment has become redundant. Whole new generations of cine and slide projectors have been designed around this small but brilliant lamp. The most profound change, however, has been in display applications with the development of the miniature low-voltage dichroic mirror lamp, Lightstream. The mirror allows most of the heat generated by the lamp to pass backwards, reflecting a cool beam of light forwards. The halogen heat lamp, by contrast, uses shortwave infrared light to provide instantaneously radiated heat. The heating by light principle has now found many applications in domestic, industrial, and commercial environments. Thorn have been involved with the development of halogen light sources right from the very beginning. The halogen division has two sites, at Leicester and at Enfield in North London. Fast-changing technology has created a division built on innovation. Leicester produces the complete range of studio and theatre lamps, including sealed beam lamps, car headlamps, stop and tail lamps, and miniature lamps for panel lighting. The Enfield site produces the Lightstream range, linear lighting used in floodlighting applications, and the halogen heat products which use shortwave infrared light to provide instantly radiated heat. The never-ending search for quality is central to Thorn's way of thinking. Halogen lamp making provides a particularly good illustration of a new way of working which builds quality into the product. This method is embodied in just-in-time manufacture. The aim is to produce the right products at the right time, in the right quantity, at the lowest cost, with zero defects. This is how JIT, just in time, has been applied in the studio halogen facility at Leicester. Just-in-time manufacture organizes people in small cells, which have replaced the old system of batch or mass manufacturing. The number of lamps in production at any one time is kept within strict limits, so that a very firm eye can be kept on quality at every stage. Expensive high stock levels are kept to a minimum. Finished lamps can be produced in a remarkably short time cycle, which makes it easier to respond to demand just in time for the customer. And the whole cell can be changed over to the manufacture of a different lamp in the range quickly and easily. Indeed, such is the flexibility of the system that the operators are trained to do several of the jobs in the cell, giving more variety and therefore greater job satisfaction. Most importantly, perhaps, just-in-time working gives people a central role in production. At every stage in the preparation of the lamp, there are clear instructions as to the responsibilities of each person and the standards they must maintain. No work is accepted until the current small batch is completed to that operator's satisfaction and passed to the next stage. Wasteful and inefficient work in progress is eliminated. Problems can be sorted out as and when they occur, with each operator having the authority to stop production if they spot a problem that cannot be rectified immediately. Each cell has clearly defined guidelines against which performance can be measured. As the lamp moves through the more automatic stages, the same basic principles apply. This is the stage at which the lamp is emptied or exhausted of all air. The vacuum is replaced by a halogen gas mix. It must then be critically focused for optimum performance. The lamp goes through a lighting up process to age the filament before final inspection, packaging and dispatch. The end of a process which has the inbuilt virtues of flexibility and efficiency to produce halogen lamps to the highest quality standards. The high performance characteristics of halogen lamps rely on the most complex and stringent research and development. The technical department, based at Enfield and Leicester, provides a full range of services to cover the distinctive properties of all the materials involved in halogen lamp manufacture. Gases, metals, and chemicals, which together make up the finished lamp. They can all be examined under the most rigorous conditions and on the most up-to-date test equipment. Called the wonder filament lamps when they were first brought into production, halogen lamp sources have relied on superb manufacturing skills throughout their history of development. Thorn has invested heavily in technical advances, using, for instance, a specially developed laser cutter to cut the quartz, highly automated production, and stringent testing, and this process will continue. It is people, though, their skills and their constant eye for quality, who are essential to the success of Thorn light sources. In recognition of this, there is an increasing commitment to training throughout the halogen division. Training in skills to ensure quality. Training in new ways of working like the just-in-time method, vital for efficient and profitable manufacture. Total quality is the aim, in manufacture, in the manufacturing environment, and in the service we provide to our customers. This means listening to people. Listening to ways in which procedures can be changed or modified for the better. Trying out new ideas and implementing those which improve the quality of manufacture. Quality in the manufacturing environment also means the provision of medical facilities, which are not just there to cope with incidents, but take an active part in monitoring general health. It means the provision of new facilities at Enfield and Leicester, and the opportunity at both sites to take advantage of a wide range of recreational activities. Thorn is expanding rapidly as a company. The halogen division of light sources is expanding with it. It is a team dedicated to the search for quality and continual improvement, with products which have led the way in the development and innovation of halogen light. The range is growing. Applications are becoming even more varied and interesting as the potential of halogen technology is explored. Thorn will play a major role in the exciting prospects for the future, providing our customers with the finest quality in lighting solutions. Thorn, a world-leading manufacturer of one of the great advances in light sources.